I've made $299 from Fiverr, and in this video, I want to share my personal experience and tips with you. If you've been curious about how to succeed on Fiverr and earn money without any prior experience, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Getting started on Fiverr. Like many of you, I began by searching on YouTube for ways to succeed on Fiverr, how to reach the top of search results, and how to land my first customer. After researching and learning from various sources, I put that knowledge into action and eventually got my first customer after 2 months. I know it might sound like a long time, but with the right approach, you can achieve it much faster. Building a strong Fiverr profile. The first piece of advice I want to share is not to rush into getting sales. Instead, focus on setting up a strong Fiverr profile. Start by creating an account and filling in all the necessary information, such as your account name, the languages you master, and a description. It's crucial to have a professional and clear profile picture. If you do not want to create your own profile picture from scratch, there's a handy tool called Leonardo.ai that can assist you. Simply visit Leonardo.ai and request a picture of your choice. For instance, you can ask for a cardboard image, and the tool will generate it for you in a matter of seconds. This way, you can have a unique and visually appealing profile picture without the need for any design skills or extensive time investment. It's a convenient option to consider if you're looking for a quick and easy solution for your profile picture on Fiverr. Showcasing your services. Once your account is ready, it's time to showcase your services. Choose up to 7 services related to the field you love, whether it's design, programming, writing, translation, or any other skill you possess. For example, in the design field, even if you don't have specific design skills, tools like Canva can be a great resource for creating and modifying logos, cards, and other graphical elements. Customize your titles, descriptions, keywords, classifications, and prices for each service. Remember to use ChatGPT for assistance during this stage. Visuals are essential, so use Canva and Leonardo.ai to design attractive images for each service. Attracting and retaining customers. After publishing your services, it's time to wait for that first customer to arrive. When they do, make sure to respond promptly and professionally to avoid losing them. If you don't get immediate sales, consider modifying your keywords, titles, and descriptions regularly. Websites like Keyword can provide you with insights into the most searched keywords in your niche. It's important not to get discouraged if you don't receive customers right away. Building a successful Fiverr business takes time and patience. Throughout your Fiverr journey, make it a habit to watch as many educational videos as possible. These resources will provide valuable insights and help you stay updated on the latest trends and strategies. Remember, success on Fiverr is a continuous learning process. Thank you all for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, even if it was just a little bit. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. Until next time, take care, and best of luck on your Fiverr journey.